Okay, so how to do a diagonal lashing? Basically, when you use a diagonal lashing, you would want to use it when the angle between the two spars is between 45 and 90 degrees, and you don't want to use it if you're trying to support weight. You basically use more for support. When you want it to support weight, you usually use the square lashing. So
What
diagonal
is this
lashing.
for?
What?
So what is this for then?
This is for support. Like, okay. Let's say, for example, you want to make something tie together three logs in the shape of an A. The part where this would be connected to these two poles by diagonal lashings. So
up here?
that would usually be a tripod lashing because we usually make a tripod when we have to make it.
Okay.
So anyways, how to do a diagonal lashing.
You tie a clove
First
hitch.
you tie a clove hitch, yes, like all lashings. So to do a clove hitch, you make an X and go through it. Got that? It's pretty easy to remember, so you should be able to remember it.
Can I try?
Yeah. There we go. Nice little clove hitch. Now, next thing you do would be you see how the logs kind of form an X, so you would want to go in between the X. So you want to do something like this. Now these logs are smooth, so they're not exactly ideal for this kind of situation, but we'll make do with them. Move. God, no, that's wrong. Wait. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Need to make sure they're very tight. So typically you would want to do 3 or 4 of these. And then you go and do it around the X the other way. So, as before, 3 or 4 wraps would be good. Both ways. And then after that, you would want to frap. So, when you're frapping, basically, where the logs connect, you would want to go in between that area. So, basically, the goal of frapping is to keep the whole thing is to tighten up the whole thing. So, this is what frapping basically looks like. Please do not fart. So you want to make 3 or 4 fraps, the more the better, basically, on all of them. And then you end it with another clovefish.
Can I try?
Yes.
Yay!
There. Now, this is going to be a little loose since these are so smooth, but that's okay. So, do you want to try it now?
Yay!
Don't yay me. Alright, here, I'll take it apart. Okay, here, you try now. Let's see if you remember how to do a clovefish after 2 minutes. Yes, obviously you do.
So, is that how? And then,
Yes, that's correct.
and then like this?
No, no. You want to go underneath this again.
Like this?
No, no, no,
Oh, like this.
no, no,
Right?
no, wrong. You want to go. You have messed it up.
Whoops.
You would want to go like this.
Oh, and wrap it around.
Yeah. So you know how it forms an egg. So you want to cross the eggs. For lack of a better term. And like I said, the diagonal lashing is not going to be nearly as strong as the square lashing because it's not designed to support weight. It's not designed to hold any weight. You need to tighten it a bit more. Yes, that's good.
That's 4. So,
Yeah. Yeah. 3 or 4 is usually enough, but the more the better.
so now like,
If you have a really long rope, then keep on going until you think that the rope
now
can't.
like, do you go under this way and start wrapping again?
Yeah, pretty much. You let it unravel. Never let it unravel. Okay? You never want to let it go loose.
Whoops.
Pull harder. Pull harder. It's too loose. You didn't tighten it enough. Sorry. You did not tighten it anywhere near enough. There you go. You're running out of rope. I think this will have to be your last one. Frap now. Yeah, it's good. You're gonna have to frap. You need to tighten up the fraps a lot. You're not no. You need to like stand up to tighten up the fraps.
That tight enough?
Let me see. And you were supposed to tighten them after each one.
Oh.
Now it's tight enough. You still had a little bit more to go. Okay. Now, what do you end it with?
Another clove hitch?
Correct. Good job. You're letting it go a little loose.
Really?
Yes, if you see it move, then you're letting it go loose.